Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a breastfeeding tutorial that can help new mothers understand the process and feel more confident while feeding their baby. Breastfeeding is a natural process, but it may take some time for both the mother and the baby to adjust. In the beginning, patience is very important, and it is completely normal to learn step by step. Start by finding a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down in a relaxed way with proper support. Holding your baby close to your body helps create a better connection and makes feeding easier. Make sure your baby's head and body are in a straight line and facing towards you. This position helps the baby latch properly and feed more effectively. A proper latch is one of the most important parts of breastfeeding. When the baby latches well, feeding becomes smoother and more comfortable. It can also help reduce discomfort for the mother. During feeding, try to stay calm and relaxed. A quiet environment can help both you and your baby focus better. Take your time and allow your baby to feed at their own pace. You may notice that your baby shows signs of hunger, such as moving their hands toward the mouth or becoming more active. Feeding when the baby is ready can help build a natural routine. After feeding, gently burp your baby to help them feel comfortable. This step can also reduce any discomfort after feeding. Breastfeeding is not just about feeding. It is also a moment of bonding and care between mother and baby. With time and practice, it becomes easier and more natural. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.